Going on today, guys? I know y'all want to listen to the pipes on this old Ford 99 F150 with the 4.6 V8 in it. True door, no flow, true door flowmaster 2-chamber. No kilowatt converters under it. Oh, let's see if we can get us a good enough angle and stuff under there. Not really, but I'm trying. No kilowatt converters. Running true doors all the way back. On that behind the back tires back there. I'll show y'all that in just a minute. I know y'all probably looking at it upside down and everything else, and I'm sorry, but I'm trying. I ain't no camera expert. Got 35s under it, 35, 12, 50, 17. Netto mud grapplers. Oh, let's fire it up and rev it up a few times. How about that? Don't play. I had to get some attention too, I'll tell you that much. I know I gotta get another seat put in here. I got another seat that's gotta get put in. Get the floor stuff clean and all that fun stuff first. Better line the bed up too. Stuff. Well, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gone.